We're trapped inside a 700-year-old stone labyrinth in China. It's over 40 degrees Celsius, there's no clear exit. Min had just injured her knee, and we had no idea how massive this place was. This is Lion's Forest Garden in Suzhou, and today we're finding out if we can escape before the guardians sound the alarm. Alright, this looks like to be the Lion Garden. Let's check it out.
Ready for the adventure?
Forward into the labyrinth. The textures of these walls are cutting edge, and there's levels, many levels.
There's a table. You can sit and eat inside a cave.
Stairs, caves, bridges, walls to mount, and 35 degrees heat. You better be wearing your comfy shoes. No signs, no arrows, just 100% your choice, your path. I love this feeling of choosing your own path to find your own way around.
Follow me, follow me, follow me. Welcome to my house.
Packed with kids and adults, everyone is enjoying this adventure.
Oh God.
This place will have you move in ways you haven't since forever.
Suffer.
No, that's like below my knees. That was easy. All right, let's see. Not too shabby, if you ask me. Are you holding up? How's the heat treating you?
Not good.
Not good. We're drenched. Drenched.
It was crazy hot. So many people, busyness, everyone is running everywhere and pushing and trying to skip the lines.
After another climb, another tunnel, this is pretty much exercise rather than a stroll in a floral garden.
God, I'm tired.
We made it through the bridge of death. And let's go up.
For anyone who's asking, I just hit my knee and I'm bleeding.
What happened? What happened? On your rock? On your rock?
Yes.
At least your knee hasn't affected the rest of the climbing we got ahead. I think we're in the highest part, but look, it goes in deep.
Yeah.
We got ponds,
You guys can see that.
sun globes.
Looks so beautiful.
It's really nice.
We made it halfway. Follow me.
Always appreciate a good Squid Game reference.
My favorite. Let's go. I took a risk because I'm not sure I can do it.
You got this. Yay! Good job, baby.
Oh wow.
Good job, baby.
Take you like 2 seconds. Take me 100 million of stuff.
I'm proud of you. You didn't ask for my help. That's good.
You took you 2 steps. Took me 5 steps. But whatever. We're not talking about the fact that it took me. My legs are short.
You look good. It's a win when we don't hurt ourselves. So, ooh, we got an open court. You see, this is definitely like a man's palace, eh? This is a man's garden. That's why we call it a lion's garden. You know I love my seaweed. Proud of you. We got little misters for the ambiance.
Come, let's see where this is.
Finally, somewhere where there isn't like a million people.
Yeah, but less crowded.
That's crowded.
So more air
Yeah.
to breathe.
So many rocks. And this is actually a ship. Here we're in the Pavilion of the Lights. Just the courts for the people in the past to sit and gaze at the lion's garden. Pretty cool. Wouldn't mind this bat cave. Alright, so that wraps up Lion Forest Garden. Filled with rocks, people, heat.
It was a big adventure. Honestly, I loved it. It's amazing. If you are here in the neighborhood and you're waiting like us for your next step, get a tour here. It's very satisfying.
Yeah, it's pretty cool to see. You get to like experience climbing. There's different like levels, obviously. There's also like scenic areas. It tells you stories about the families, the Ming Dynasty and all these other dynasties, how they lived and arranged things. So
It's
pretty
really
cool
fun.
place.
It's really fun to see this, and also what I love, it's the people on the side. Honestly, they wear their own costumes and they're having fun. Wow, these people entertain themselves.
Yeah, definitely. You see all the, I think they're called geishas in Japan. I don't know what you call themselves here. All the girls wearing the costumes. You don't really see men wearing suits or blazers or tuxedos or anything like that. But I'm sure there's an equivalent. It's just not very popular. Highly recommend.
Yeah, it is highly recommended.
Highly recommend, yeah. I'll give it for like the cost, it's only 40 yuan per person. Very, very affordable. You can easily spend like 2 hours in there. So I would highly recommend it if you're in Suzhou. I would give it a 9 out of 10.
Me too.
Pretty good. On to the next adventure.
Randomly end up inside the museum.
Yep. On to the next chamber. That's the good stuff. Yeah, bag full of the goody goody. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, so we've come to cool off in a little bubble tea store nearby. We got our menu here.
Lychee matcha.
Caramel macchiato.
I saw the picture. I assumed that was only cold.
It's okay, you're dehydrated.
I'm just too tired. I don't know. I am really tired. Honestly, as much as I was enjoying it, but oh god, I think I need to like shoot for like runner or something because goddamn. I'm not gonna say something.
You're a champ though, you're a champ.
I believe that if you guys can help us make our dream true, God will give you the same thing. You will make your dream true. So let's help each other. We give you the good energy and you give us the subscriber.
It's nighttime. Humble Administrative Garden. The night edition of English tour guide. I'll give you a sneak peek what you can expect on vision.
Classical, ancient architecture in ancient China. So that's the reason we choose this to be a decoration. The Humble Administrative Garden tour. Really cool.
There was an administrative architect by the government, they have high status in China, and very artistic,
Very romantic,
very
very poetic.
poetic. He was so considerate for his guests. He even blocked his view so the guests can roam around his garden and just be by themselves without the administrator having to peep from his bedroom.
That's like do not disturb in another level.
Yeah, do not disturb the guests on a whole other level. But yeah, overall, would you recommend it?
Yeah, I think it's worth it to be honest. But I think the night will be better than the morning because it has a lot of show.
Yeah, they use a
And,
lot of lights to make sure the paintings and art come alive.
Yeah,
It's pretty cool.
And
I'd probably
also-
give it like a 7 out of 10.
me too. I think during the night, also because of the weather, I think you guys can easily enjoy it
it'll be
rather than
cooler.
during the day because it was very, very hot during the day. So I think if you walk all this during the day, you will not be able to enjoy it really the way it should be. But during the night was like,
Yeah, it's cooler, it won't be as humid, and you get a souvenir for all of that jazz.
it's worth it.
Let's go look for the entrance.
All right, so this is the update. They're sold out from the day tickets. Checked around, they're literally sold out.
Everything's sold out.
Everything's
so-
sold out. So we said, okay, what else can we do? Turns out there was a nighttime thing. So we did it. We purchased the nighttime version, and there's an English tour. So that should be pretty lit. It's the same price. Even though we're in the neighborhood a few hours early, we're gonna go check out some other things and come back later.